Hi and welcome back to my channel DDM-Cardhouse. Today we are going to open the new quarter-century Stampede set. I've opened this set already 2 times, but I lost my footage. But I can show you I pulled the Lightning Storm old art, the Zeus old art, and I pulled the QCR Dark Magician Girl. I've also pulled some really nice QCRs like the Welcome Big Labyrinth. I pulled the Blue Eyes Seventh Tachyon, some Ash Blossoms, Engraver, Fovelos in ultra rare and ultra rare, Typhon, Quam, Crimson Dragon, DD, Wave King, Hype King Caesar, and I don't know. Yeah, there are some really amazing cards in there. I really want the other alt arts, especially the Labyrinth, the Lovely Lady, I think. Yeah, because I have a Labyrinth deck, so I really want the alt art for my deck. But let's see what we can pull. I also love the design. It's like brownish and yellow. Looks amazing. It also looks like it's the what's it called, the collector's rare on the box, and the feel is really nice. I like this more than the other. I don't know. Looks cool, in my opinion. So yeah, let's see what we can pull today. Start. There's always the, this is from the nostalgia pool. It's always on the 2nd or 3rd slot. Also, people are complaining because there's no bestials or Kashtira, but I mean, you have so much expensive card, like Quam was like 15 euros or something. And and you have Ash, you have Fovelos, you have Engraver, you know. I mean, there are some really useful cards. Oh, our first QCR. Summoning. Yeah, like 7th Ascension was like, I don't know how much it was. It was like 20 bucks? 20 euros, so yeah. I mean, I can understand why people are complaining, but oh, was 2nd QCR already? Yeah. Metal Tronus. Nice. Oh, and the collector's rare, big welcome. There's so much to talk, sorry, and to show. Collector's rare, big welcome, nice. What I want to say, yeah, there's so much stuff in the set that was really expensive, like Bone Party, like oh, what the hell? Again, the QCR? Like the old arts that are in the set are really cool looking. I mean, I like the set a lot. So. And I mean, Tourism just got banned, so if they would have reprinted Tourism banned right before. Another QCR? What the hell is happening? Collector's rare. I don't know what this is from, but this is from the nostalgia pool. So I don't know what they consider nostalgia, because there's some newer cards in there. So I don't know. Oh, nice. But I think we already pulled our 4 QCRs in our first 4 boosters, so I don't think we can get a alt art right now anymore. But we will see. Christian. Oh, another QCR? 5th? Artifact. Moraltag. I don't know. Okay. This is some kind of don't know. Lunar Light. 2 Lunar Lights. Isn't this the same card? Did we pull the same card in the booster? No. Right? No, I have to take a look after. Number 11. Big Eye. The Crimson. I don't know. Life Trends. Next. Abyss. This was also really expensive, no? Oh, a Typhon. This was also expensive. I mean, it was 15 bucks, even with the reprint in the Megaton. Dytron. Autopia. Oh, two prismatics. Porelli. I mean, those weren't expensive, right? They already got reprinted in the tins, no? Yeah, some cards I don't understand, like Terraforming. It already has so many reprints. But also this one has a lot of reprints now. But I mean, it's the fourth quarter century. Oh, another QCR? Lunar Light Tiger? Okay. Then Collector's Rare Cyber Dragon Mark. Yeah, as I said, you already have so many reprint sets that you have to double up at some point. I mean, there's a lot of Runic Fountain. There are a lot of cards that don't have a reprint yet, so I don't know why they wouldn't reprint new cards, but instead reprint old. Or cards that already have enough reprints. Another QCR. Oh, nice, an ultra rare Evil Twins. Looks amazing. And Fire King's card. Okay. I think that this was the most amount of QCRs that I've pulled out of my boxes. I mean, we already are on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 QCRs. Like, what? Okay. Maybe we can still pull the altered. Let's see. Luna. Ah, Infinity. Cyber Dragon Infinity. And Bitswinger. I have to make this deck eventually. They look cool. Oh, as I said, Bomb Party is in here. Really expensive card before the reprint. And I mean, oh, 2 Ghost Dogger? Okay. Memento just won the recent YCS, so yeah. But it's gotten even more expensive. It would have gotten even more expensive if we wouldn't have to reprint another Memento. I mean, don't get me wrong, I mean, I would have liked if they didn't get a reprint, because the Valiant Smashers display is like really cheap right now. It's like 20 bucks. So. Oh, okay. Monarch. I thought these are only in the nostalgia pool. No, I'm not. I guess wrong. And Desiree. I mean, after Fiendsmith didn't get a hit, having Desiree and Engraver is like different variants is like cool as well. Light Tiger. Oh, didn't we pull this just in QCR? Yeah, we did. And now we have a prismatic secret, an ultra rare Celantis. Another. We already have this in. QCR as well, now in prismatic. Okay. You can't really see the ultimate rare, if it, especially if you put it on like your sleeve. So, oh, a Crimson Dragon. This was already also expensive. Branded got a lot cheaper this after the set. Oh, sorry. Rank 4 light. Let's see. Oh wow, okay. Oh no, you need 2 light monsters, you can't do it with... Can you do it with Raziel? Don't they have... Isn't... No, X does not. Sword and... I don't know. I have to take a look. Maybe. Another big welcome. Oh, an engraver and prismatic secret rare. Looks cool. I'm trying a new Labyrinth and Fiendsmith deck, so maybe I put this prismatic secret rare engraver in there. Synchro Dragon. Tsuchinoko. Danger. Tsuchinoko. Isn't this? I have to put this maybe aside. Dojo, Lunar Tiger, and Transaction Rollback. Okay. That was all of it. I mean, we got a lot of QCRs. This is the prismatic route, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 QCRs. No reprint, no alt art, but I'm still happy that we got so much QCRs. We also got the engraver in prismatic. Got the Crimson Dragon, we got the Typhon and super rare. It's still expensive, it's like 10 bucks. I mean, it's just really strong card. We got one 7th Ascension. I will play this in Raziel with 7th Tachyon. So yeah, happy about this as well. I like this set a lot. I mean, as I said, you have like those memento cards that were really expensive that you can now play cheap. You have Engraver that got a reprint. You have Quam, that was a 15 euro card together with Crimson Dragon for branded. You have 7 Ascension, so yeah, now you can only have to pay 40 bucks for your 7th Tachyon. I mean, Big Welcome was also like 5 bucks, right? I mean, that's not that expensive, but at least you can now build your Labyrinth for like 10 euros or something. Because Lovely Lady and the other one got reprint as well, right? If you Ghost Dog, a reprint. Yeah, I like the set a lot. And as I said, I'm gonna show them again. The old arts of Zeus and what's it called? Not Thunderstorm. I don't know. It looks amazing as well. And the Dark Magician Gold QCR. And also, yeah, Fuvulus. We didn't pull it at one Fuvulus this time. Last time I pulled like... Where is it? I pulled 3 Fuvulus out of 2 boxes. So we got 1 Ultra and 2 Ultra. Ultimate, sorry. 1 Ultimate and 2 Ultras. Yeah. So I like the set. Ash Blossom. We have enough engravers to make a new Fiendsmith deck. I mean, Lacrima and Lacrima is like 20 bucks now from like 10. And Tract is like 40 bucks I think from 10, so I bought at least I bought 2 Tracts before it went We went up this much. Oh, we already have this. And collector's rare. In ultra rare, we now have 2 of those. We can nearly make a new deck. Crimson Dragon, yeah. Hive Waking Caesar, right? It's also, you can also play it in the Fiendsmith Razil and stuff, so yeah, really, really nice. So yeah, I like the set. There's a lot of cool cards in there, so I don't know. People love to complain, but you have to see that you already have so much reprints of like staples. I mean, I can understand that Kashira is now really expensive, and it's really good because you have what's it called, detonator on 1, and if Kashira Unicorn banishes your detonator, you're basically done because it's face down banished. You can't get it back with not Resi Cross, but the other one, the other spare card plugin. So yeah. I mean, Resi, I don't know. You have to play it with another engine, I think. With either Mitsurugi or Shark. I mean, Shark, after Bar mode is banned, I don't know if it's really worth playing Shark. But yeah, we will have to test it out. It's like 2 days after this, so I haven't really tested yet. But yeah. Thanks for watching. We had a really, really nice opening, in my opinion. We got some cards that we wanted, so yeah, I'm happy. And I hope you're happy as well. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day, evening, or whatever. And see you next time. Bye.